Welcome to Software2C from Festo. In this video, we show you how to add accessories as terminators of connectors. For example, I want to add a silencer to this connection here. I could either double-click it and select a terminator here, or if I want to do that for multiple connections, I can also select them by holding down the Control key. After that, do a right-click, select the properties, and define terminator for all selected connectors. If I want to, I can also assign a part number directly. And define product for all these symbols. I can also display them in the parts list if I want to. So you will now see the silencers here in the parts list as well as in your drawing. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep yourself informed. See you next time.